We are pleased to show you the 2024 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, luggage rack, tires, front all season. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.